Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. Fluffy pants. Big fluffy Persian with a squishy face. Just kind of mapping out the body shapes. That fluffy tail. Shapes and angles at this stage. And I'm going 4 times the speed. Voicing over. And lots of corrections at this stage, so I keep my lines a little lighter. You don't see much ears sticking up above the fluff with these kind of cats. Just want to keep it really loose. I'm not worrying about every little detail. I just want to get the idea, the gesture of that fluffy cat. That cat which is mostly fluff. We'll get some eye lines in there to place the eyes properly. And we'll do it light to start with. Because I end up moving these over a bit. And a little nosy. Now I'm starting to darken up some of the more prominent lines, the ones that I want to stand out more and keep. Putting the pupils in always brings Kitty to life a little. That nose ended up too big. It is really a tiny little nose. Do that part again. Don't be afraid to use your eraser. It's part of your drawing. It's a great tool, great drawing tool. I love to hear from you, so please do drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or your art or where you live or whatever, what country you're in. It's so awesome to connect with people from all over the world, and it helps us build this awesome community of crazy cat artists, which is growing, growing, growing. I'm very grateful to everyone who's joined. We're getting a little faster here now as we finish up. I'm not drawing any faster, just sped the video up faster is all. So now we're actually going 10 times the speed. I'm liking that expression. That squishy face Persian expression is definitely different. Looks like Kitty wants something. Maybe supper, hey? They always want to eat, don't they? And I love the way the whiskers kind of curl up here, so I really accentuated that. Finishing touches. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.